Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right access and that the chart of accounts contains the codes you'll use. This prevents rejected entries later. Once done, navigate to Accounting, choose Manual Journals, and click New Journal. Enter the journal date, reference, and an explanatory narration so reviewers understand the why. Make sure the period remains open, otherwise the system will block posting. This first step sets up accuracy and auditability before you record any debits or credits. Now enter each journal line carefully. Pick the exact account code, add a clear description, and assign contact or tracking categories when relevant. For every debit you enter, add the matching credit so the journal totals balance to zero. Xero won't post unbalanced journals. Apply the correct tax rate per line so VAT/GST reports remain correct, and attach invoices or PDFs for audit trails. Take a moment to scan for typos. One incorrect digit can misstate balances across. Before posting, review the narrative, check attachments, and confirm the totals. Use Save Draft if you want another pair of eyes. When everything matches, click Post to record the journal. Remember, posted journals are immutable if the period is locked. If posting fails because the journal is unbalanced, recheck each line for wrong signs, rounding differences, or a missing line. If permissions block posting, have an advisor-level user post it or update your role. This resolves most access errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.